Welcome traders. First of all, here is the standard disclaimer that I am not an SEBI registered analyst and no trading advice is given in this channel. Everything is for educational purposes. For your investment decision, you can always consult a SEBI registered financial analyst and take your investment decision accordingly. Having given this disclaimer, let's continue our analysis. See, we have already discussed in our previous video that market is on the verge of a good top, or market is approaching a very important resistance area. And in our previous video, I have marked some resistance areas which are still valid. And see, from the first resistance area itself, market dropped intraday with some 200 points trade. It was there to be grabbed. And now what we are expecting is that if it is wave 5, then two possibilities I will discuss. First one is this follow-up chart, which you all remember that if it is wave 5, then wave 5 comes in diagonal form. And in this case, see, diagonal comes in 3-3-3 structure. So here is see, here is a three-wave move. Three-wave move. Another decline, another three-wave move. Another decline, and finally we are expecting another three-wave move, kind of this, okay, kind of this, to find resistance and have some pause or decline from this area. Okay, so this is our expectation in this view. And if you take this another view, now if wave 4 has completed here, in the previous view we have assumed that wave 4 has completed here. Now if wave 4 has completed here, then this is the bigger ending diagonal structure, which I have again marked for you. See, this is again a three-wave move. If I just hide the waves and show you, see, from this low, this is a three-wave move. Another A, B, C three-wave move. Another three-wave move, A, B, C. Another three-wave move. And we are expecting another three-wave move to the top. Now, the character, if it is an ending diagonal, if our analysis is correct, then this is the most important resistance area for the second view, that is 26,400 or 450 to 26,750. So this range will act as a very important resistance. And if price declines in fast nature, so this trend line then will be important. If this trend line gives up, then the market may go for a deeper correction or deeper retracement, which can be used as a very good buying opportunity for your stocks or your investment area. So for the final leg in the market, which will be fast enough. So for short-term view, this is not a place for going aggressively long. Here is the very good place to book your profits. If you are in profits, then you can lock them. And if you are in losses or in minor losses, then you can also lock them, because taking loss is again an art in trading. And here is the view. So in short term, we have these two very important resistance coming up, 26,400 to 26,700. And this is the second view. And coming back to the first view, now if these holds, now if you come in smaller frame, then we have expected that for the final up move, if one tries to go long, because these we have discussed that these moves come very sharp, and see the first move, it is very sharp, actually starting with a small gap up and then a big up move where the market haven't give you any good entry point. See, this kind of moves happens when everyone gets trapped. Okay, and these we have alerted you with time also. We have given you the time 26th November, and market started fiercely from that date. Okay, so now very important date is coming up in 2nd December to 8th December phase, where market may change its trend, and so you should get alert for that. And here for immediate support, see here is an ABC decline, and since this is very fast move, we have expected a complex correction or a time taking correction, and exactly market behaved like that. This is a ABC 3-wave move, then this is very consolidation, very high consolidation area, and see market decline, but it does not give a good growth in premium. So all are premium eating system. And now what we can expect, see this is ABC move, then if the correction has ended here, then this should be an impulsive move, but I am not saying this is an impulsive move, because impulse always have a good character of a 5-wave move. Say impulse always start with a clean 1 2 3 4 5. So since this is not a clean move, I am not considering this an impulse. So this is all in the phase of a correction. And so what you can expect, so you can expect ABCWX, another ABC may follow to find support in this zone, that is 26,062 to 26,035. In this area, if price comes, then a good risk reward buying triggers. Otherwise, it is very risky in buying here. I am not considering these, because if price goes up, then we will take as an 1 2 3 4 5 from here, 1 2 3 4 5 from here. Then if after that, if it declines in ABC, then we can plan our long. Otherwise, I am not going to advise you to go long. And if this area, if price comes in this area, then you can take long. And if it gaps up tomorrow, then this can be, this X wave actually is consisting of ABC and then a C wave or ABC move may come to complete this correction. So in any case, be cautious in the market. Long opportunity is only in this zone. Otherwise, don't go aggressively long here, because there is a very good probability to get trapped in the upside. So be safe and be cautious in the market. Happy trading, and thank you for your kind attention.